Hey YouTube friends, Alicia here with a video of a junk journal that I've made. It was for All About Birds Swap, and it was the freestyle journal. And this one is heading to Cairo, Egypt. I had to think about it. I've had 3 swaps and 2 of them were international. So the front and back cover are covered with an envelope, made of an envelope covered with a calendar page that I've Mod Podged. And then inside there's just a big envelope, and it's just a tuck spot, but there's nothing in it. I added some trim and magazine cutouts. Flashcard. Another bird image. Little, a flip spot. Another playing card. An envelope. It's apparently partially stuck. Okay. A tuck spot in another envelope. A stamp at the bottom. Another stamp with some grass that I made out of washi tape. A sticker and an ostrich playing card. Another picture. It's very bright, but it's, and I think it's a pocket, yeah, a pocket, but it's late here, so nothing's showing up as bright as it actually is. Another little pocket. Oops. Pocket. Another calendar page. Sorry. Apparently it's late and my coordination goes with the time. I don't know why I can't get it apart. There we go. Another pocket. This paper here is from my dollar store. Or all the paper is from my dollar store quite a while ago. Some more washi tape. Wow. This flower paper, the pink, the purple, and the blue is from my dollar store. The rest of it, the pattern paper, is from Hobby Lobby. My friend brought it for me when she came across into Canada. Another sticker, an envelope tuck spot, a stamped joy with that bird. It's one of my new stamps. A lace pocket. It's backed with an index card. Card that I cut out, a playing card. Another pocket page. Another pocket. This is just a flip. French paper clip. It opens on the top. A little tuck in the corner. I think, no, that's just glued down. I made it a while ago. I just can't remember, glued down with some lace. I had a good time making this one. I think this is just glued down as well. This is the first time I've really used any magazine images in my junk journal, other than when I did the other bird journal. But I should say these two journals were the first time I've really used magazine images, and I really liked it. Another pocket. There is some sparkle tape on there, but you can't really see it. A tuck spot. And this is another pocket. Some lace on the bottom. A doily. And another bird image. These bird images all came from Birds in Bloom, which is Birds and Flower magazine. So I had a couple of them, and therefore I had no shortage of bird images, with the exception, of course, of the playing cards. Those came from my thrift store. A glassine bag, and unfortunately the glue showed through. I didn't realize it would. I never glued a glassine bag down before, but I guess now I know. And then there's some washi on the back here, and it's painted blue, and it just opens up in the back. That is my junk journal. It's quite plain, but it's bright and colorful, and I really like it. Thank you for watching.